My name's Paul Jones. I'm Conservation Manager here at Aerospace Bristol. My responsibilities include caring for all of the exhibits, which include the Concorde and various other aircraft. We also do restoration of World War II bomber. This aircraft is the last Concorde ever built, and also the last Concorde ever to fly, and it landed here in November 2003. In 2019, we were looking forward to the 50th anniversary of the first flight of Concorde. And so we were examining what we could do to mark this occasion. And we came up with the idea of why not get the droop nose working, which is pretty iconic. So then we started off on a project to see what we needed to do to accomplish that. The main challenges was, this is a 50-year-old aircraft and we didn't want to generate any leakage in any parts of the aircraft. We wanted just to power hydraulics to the front of the aircraft. Oliver Starr from Zeus Hydratech had previously visited the museum and had indicated that if we needed any help, that he would be happy to get involved. Part of the project was to decide where we were going to connect into the hydraulic system, what level of pump we needed, so what pressure, what flow, and what other attachments, if anything, do we need on there, what other indications. We needed the mains-driven pump to be able to interface with the aircraft selection and control valve system. And so the pump was supplied by Zeus. It had an indication gauge, so we could use that to connect to the aircraft level indication. It also had a pressure transducer so that we could understand what pressure was being delivered by the pump. So in order to install the pump into the nose landing gear bay, we needed to build, first of all, a structure that would mount the motor on. And we also needed to run mains power down under the floor of the aircraft, ready to be connected to the motor. To operate the nose, we use the original hydraulic switch, which we've connected to the contactor at the motor. And then we use this selection here, which is the original aircraft switch. So the first position would move the windshield down to its first position. And then we go to 5 degrees. And then we go fully down. Having Oliver from Zeus on board, this project was very successful, and we've done numerous operations of the nose since then, and we haven't had any issues at all.